Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to perform class check in Navisworks Manage. Class check in Navisworks Manage is used to find conflicts between different model elements such as piping, structure, electrical or mechanical system. I have this Navisworks Manage model and we will perform a simple class check. To perform a class check, we have to click on Home and after that click on Clash Detective. We have now Clash Detective panel here. Click here and click Add Test. Double click under name. Give the name of your class test. I will give pipe 02 versus structure 02. After that, these are the rules which is as built in Navisworks Manage. I will select the item in the same layer, then click on select. This is your model which you are open in Navisworks Manage. Click here. I will select this site, and to perform a clash against, I have to select structure 02, and these are the options available: surfaces, then lines, points. So I will select the surfaces here, same way surfaces, and here you have to select your hard clashes or clearance. I will use hard clash, and here you will put the tolerance. You guys can put tolerance as per your requirement. Now click run test, and you can see that here we have found total 4 number of clashes. Once you click first one, and this is a clash, it is hitting with the structure, and second one also hitting with the structure here, this pipe. Third one, our flange is clashing with the corrugated plate. And fourth is also the pipe header flange is clashing with the corrugated plate. Once you find the clashes, you guys can run the report. Click on report here, and here you can tick untick anything which you want to extract in the report. Simply click here on the report format. You will get these formats available: XML, HTML, text. So I will select text here and click on write report, save as in your location. And this is the report. You guys can simply make the record of this report for your reference. Now I will run a second clash test, same way. Click add, and I will give the name X01 versus structure 01, and select the model here. Now this time I will select pipe site 01, and here I will select structure 01, run test. And here in this report we found 10 clashes, and we will go one by one. You guys can see that the pipe is penetrating to the grating of the platform. So ideally this is not a clash. This clash can be ignored. Same way the second clash, clashing with the grating of the platform. Third one also the same. Fourth one also the same. And fifth one also the same. So all these clashes are clashing with the gratings of the platform, and these clashes can easily ignored. So let's say you add new clash. So in this way you can add clashes as per your own requirement, and you guys can make your model free from clashes.